Hey guys, sorry, it's a little bit dark. Don't got no natural lighting or anything, but I'm just gonna be doing a little review of the Wendy chicken strips. Before I even leave out for the day. But all right. There was some nuggets I had earlier, but yeah, I changed some of the bread in a bit to see what it might be like. I'm pretty similar to the nuggets, but yeah. This ranch. Now, I'm pretty sure they only bring this out because they got McDonald's. So McDonald's got some chicken strips that I tried. They were alright. Um, but I think other places, more local joint do chicken strips more right. Now I was trying to get some honey barbecue sauce, but they didn't have none. But I did got the signature sauce. This is a bit spicy. I think they compare it to Reggie Kane sauce. I saw the one review of it and stuff. But it's like a bit spicy, kind of ranch kind of taste. Now I never had Reggie Kane. Yeah, that reminded me of the island sauce a bit, but more like Hawaiian. Like more like a Hawaiian pineapple type of taste, like a sweet spice type thing. Mm. But yeah, not that bad, but not worth necessarily worth the money. I feel like better get the nuggets for sure. Then for the nuggets for like $5 for I'm at the location I went to. But yeah, that does it for this video. Like, subscribe for more random videos, and I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.